What jobs will AI replace and how to prepare? Artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market. Up to 300 million jobs could be affected by 2030. Jobs AI could replace transportation and delivery. Autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing transportation and delivery services. Writers and content creators. AI assists in content creation, streamlining writing and publishing processes. Legal and paralegal work, AI handling large volumes of legal data more effectively, reducing human error and providing advanced analytics for decision-making. Finance and accounting, AI and automation are already reshaping finance functions, enabling real-time analysis and reporting. Manufacturing and factory work. Robotics and AI will increase productivity, but may replace up to 20 million manufacturing jobs by 2030. Retail and customer service. AI chatbots handle routine inquiries, allowing human agents to focus on complex issues. By 2027, chatbots will become the primary customer service channel for a quarter of organizations. Jobs that are safe from AI displacement. Healthcare and compassion roles. Human empathy and judgment in healthcare remain irreplaceable by AI. Education and teaching. Personalized teaching requires human adaptability and emotional intelligence. While AI can support learning, it cannot replace the interpersonal aspects of education. Graphic design and creativity. Creative intuition in design surpasses current AI capabilities. While AI can generate designs, human creativity is still essential for innovation and meaning. Software development and coding human expertise is essential for innovative software development. AI tools assist in coding, but human oversight and logic remain critical in development. AI job loss FAQs. Which jobs are at risk from AI? Roles involving repetitive, mundane tasks are more susceptible to AI automation. Should I be worried? Proactive adaptation and continuous learning can mitigate AI-related job concerns. How quickly will AI impact the job market? Studies suggest AI job displacement will be substantial yet gradual. Are any industries creating jobs due to AI advancements? AI is driving demand for new skill sets, leading to job creation in tech and analytical fields. What steps can I take to protect my job from AI, engage in continuous learning, and focus on roles requiring human-centric skills? Preparing for the AI revolution, embrace lifelong learning and develop skills that complement AI technologies. Focus on roles requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Stay informed, adaptable, and proactive to thrive in the evolving job landscape shaped by AI.